rental property is a booming market, especially in Lagos, that you should not shy away from. Now, this is a 2-bedroom apartment right here in Lekki Phase 1. It is a booming market because a lot of investors are looking to invest in short-let apartments, rental apartment. Now, all these are due to the high demand of flexible accommodation from tourists or from a professional. Now, this is a 2-bedroom apartment with a BQ right here in Lekki Phase 1. Now, the front unit is selling for 190 million naira, while the back unit is selling for 185 million naira. This property comes with a global CFO, a deed of assignment, and the building approval is in process. Join me, guys. Let's tour this amazing property together. It comes with a swimming pool, a gym, an elevator to make the living here worthwhile. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Take a second to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this property. Without wasting much of your time, let's see this property on a close quarter. Let's go, guys. Okay, so right here we have our water treatment unit. You have your tanks to give you potable water, clean water. You know, a lot of people complain that Lekki water is usually not clean, but we have a solution to that problem. So this is our tank and our water treatment unit. You can see it. So our water treatment. So you're having clean water once you invest in this property. So let me show you the car park area. This is our car park area. See, we have our gen house over there. I should have showed you, but it's locked. So this room is designated for our gym room. So this is where we're going to have our gym. So this is the car park area. So over there you have our swimming pool. This is our elevator. You know, it's a 5-story building. So this is the elevator for those that are staying in the 5th floor, 4th floor, 3rd floor. Instead of taking the stairs, you can take the elevator to your unit. So this is a car park area, and right here we have our swimming pool. General swimming pool area. So this is our pool area. Have our pool. Lovely. So I just needed to show you the facilities which this property has. So next we are going to one of the units, the 2-bedroom, for you to see the room, the sizes, see the rooms. It comes with the BQ. So we're heading there. So just come with me, guys. I'm going to show you one of the units. I'm sure you're going to love it. So, okay, remember I said I'm going to show you a sample unit. We actually have few units available for sale right here, and this is one of the units. So I needed to show you what you're buying, what you're investing. So right here, this is the living area. As you can see how spacious it is. You know, lovely POP design, wonderful chandelier, quite spacious. You have the access to your veranda over there. So this gives you access to your veranda. Good morning, my neighbors. So you can just say hello to your neighbors quickly. So right here, this place leads you to the visitor's toilet. You have a mini ante room right here and the visitor's toilet. So just come in and have a quick look. You know, so this is the visitor's toilet. You know. Okay. So it's a 2-bed. It's a 2-bed all en suite. This way leads you to the kitchen. But before I show you the kitchen, I just want to quickly show you the rooms. Okay. So this is room 1, adjacent each other. So this is room 1, all in suites. It's quite spacious. You can put in your bed and you have your wardrobe here. You can put in your bed here. You still have space for yourself right in this room. So this is your bathroom. Remember I said it's all en suite. So this is your bathroom. So this is the shower area. Then you shower. You have your overhead shower head. You have your, shower head right here with your tap and your water heater and your toilet there. So, and every room has an access to a balcony. So this is your own balcony. You just want to come and sit down and have fresh air. Apart from just feeling like boxed and you want to come outside, you can come here and sit down. So let me take you to the second room. So welcome to the primary suite of this unit. So this is the primary suite of this unit. Clean POP detailing. You have your wardrobe here. Beautiful wardrobe. This is your bathroom. Same design. But I think this one is a little bit more spacious than the other one. So these are your lovely sanitary wares. You have your water heater, overhead shower. And also access to your balcony. So let's head over to the kitchen. So this is your kitchen where you can make your delicious meal, lovely meal. So you have your heat extractor, your gas burner. You have lots and lots of cabinets right here. You have your double sink. And you have a shelf right here for you to put your stuff. So this is a balcony to the kitchen. Yeah, the kitchen has its own balcony. So every room have an access to the balcony. So right here leads you to the BQ. Remember I said it's a 2-bedroom with a BQ. So this is your BQ. This is not your regular BQ when the rooms are very, very small. This is a quite spacious BQ. And it's en suite, so you have your bathroom right here. Show them the bathroom. Now you might be wondering, why will I have to go through the kitchen to access the BQ? You have an alternative. Either you go through the kitchen or you go through the main entrance. So show you the main entrance. So just come along so you can see the main entrance from the stair. So those occupying the BQ don't need to go through the main building. Just go straight to their apartment, the BQ. So instead of going through the main apartment to access the BQ, you just go direct. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you for watching this video to the very end. Remember, this unit is selling for 185 million naira. It's a 2-bed apartment, all en suite with a BQ. The front unit is selling for 190 million naira, and this unit we just showed you now is selling for 185 million naira. So the number showing on your screen, if you want to come here for inspection, so call the number on your screen. My number is showing on the screen. Now I'll bring you here for inspection. So till I come away next time, thank you and God bless you.